Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Aqua at ang bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin kung ano yung energy o gusto niyang mensahe na sabihin sa'yo, yung person mo, Aqua. May jumping card tayo. It says here, jealousy. I am very jealous. I can barely stand it. And the bottom is my fantasy. You're my fantasy. I have pictures and videos saved of you and use them for inspiration. I want you. Okay, so yung person mo, Aqua, gusto niya sabihin sa'yo is nagsiselo siya, no? Seloso siya, may pagka... I find kasi, in my own personal opinion, Aqua, jealousy is a sign of insecurity, no? For me, yun ang dating sa akin eh. Nagsiselos ka kasi, na-insecure ka, na hindi ka mahal ng tao, na-insecure ka na baka yung nagugustuhan niya o tinititigan niya eh wala kang features nito, no? In other words, mas maganda sa'yo, mas gwapo sa'yo, or sabihin natin na mas sexy, mas matipuno yung katawan, mas magaling pumorma, mas magaling sa pananamit, or anything na talagang nafe-feel mo na wala ka nun. O hindi kasing pantay kayo, no? Kaya nagsiselos ka. So, sinasabi to ng person mo sa'yo, Aqua, siguro kasi nga, nakikita niya na marami kang admirer, maraming lumalapit sa'yo, o alam mo yung lapitin ka na person na, in other words, madali kang magustuhan kasi you have probably are, attractive, and you are intelligent, obviously, kaya alam mo yun, nakaka-attract talaga yung, o napaka-attractive sa isang tao na matalino. Diba? Ang ano tignan. Maybe because of that confidence, yung level of confidence mo andon, kaya that's very attractive. Kaya siguro na yung person mo, talagang kung gabay selos na selos, pag nakikita niya na maraming umaaligi sa'yo o may ibang attention na binibigyan mo, no, apart from this person. Kasi sinasabi rin niya dito na fantasy ka niya, no, talagang ina-admire ka niya sobra, to a point na ang dami niyo mga pictures or even videos na talaga sinisave niya siguro sa phone para every now and then titignan niya yon kasi talagang gusto ka niya, no? Ibig sabihin talagang gusto ka niya. Kaya as much as possible, ayaw niya na make a share sa love and attention mo. Diba, sabi ko nga is, ang jealousy for me is a sign of insecurity. It's a sign of insecurity. Okay? Kasi nga kung meron kang kakulangan na wala ka, kaya mo nararamdaman ito. Tignan natin sa tarot kung ano yung Mababasa natin. We have the 7 of Swords. Okay. Now, the 10 of Swords. The 8 of Wands. The 5 of Pentacles. And the Hierophant. Bottom niya is the Strength card. Okay, Aqua. Strength. Energy coming from a Leo. Okay? Ang sinasabi dito sa energy na to is kailangan mong maging confident. Okay? This, I guess, Aqua, is pertaining to your person. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, jealousy might be a sign of insecurity. Kaya, lumabas yung strength, no? Kasi kailangan confident ka. Kailangan sure ka sa sarili mo. Alam mo kung ano yung capable ka. You know your value. You know yourself that well, what you can give or capable of doing. So, ito yun. Ito yung energy na kailangan mo para hindi ka magselos. Queen of Wands. Kasi ang Queen of Wands, well, this is actually a fire sign, which is under tong Leo nga, no, strength. This is, yung energy niya is really doing exactly what he or she loves to do. Kung creative siya, then pinupursue niya yun, pinapakita niya talaga yung creative side niya. Hindi siya nahihiya. No? Talagang ini-embrace pa niya yung talent na yun and really showing everybody that this is what I am capable of doing or producing. No? In other words, umaaksyon. Kasi ang Queen of Wands is somebody na very attractive. Somebody na talagang yung balidosa ba, yung inaasikaso niya talaga yung sarili niya para magmukha siyang maganda o gwapo o attractive sa opposite sex or same sex. It doesn't matter, but the point is yung the center of attraction has to be them. No? Has to be them. Kaya with the Ace of Swords, yun yung katotohanan. Okay? I guess this is what your person, no, yung ang sinasabi natin, no, sa cross-watchers natin, Aqua, na kailangan confident ka, no, na bigyan ng proper action yung talagang gusto mo sa sarili na ma-achieve. And that's the truth. Hindi pwedeng baguhin yun, no? Dahil yun ang katotohanan. I mean, all of us, kahit papano, we are given that talent, no? That beautiful feature na minsan hindi natin alam na we should enhance it kasi yun yung maganda sa atin pero minsan binabaliwala lang natin. But we should start really looking ourselves in the mirror and see, ano bang maganda sa akin? Then I should focus on that. Diba? If you have beautiful eyes, then sa mga girls, of course, you put much better makeup. Kung sa guys naman to, you make sure na talagang malinis yung face mo and you know, when you look at girls and when you look at other people, na talagang you express yourself through your eyes. No, that's what I'm trying to say. Ngayon kung ikaw naman hindi naman ganun ka, sabihin natin hindi naman ganun ka gwapo o ganun ka ganda, but you're very intelligent. Yung sabihin kahit paano may alam ka, no? Hindi ka bobo. In other words, pinapakita mo yun through how you speak, no? How you coordinate or how you work with people, how you share your thoughts, no? It could be through writing or through proper action na with work, ganun. Pinapakita mo yon. Hindi ka takot, ipakita yon. Because that is a very attractive thing about you. No, yung intelligence mo, nakaka-attract yun. Masarap ka makita o makausap ay isang tao matalino. Kasi I don't think anybody, kayo ba gusto niyo makausap yung bobo? Siyempre hindi, di ba? You feel it's just a waste of time talking to people that are stupid. Yung walang, yung, alam mo na, saysay ang sinasabi. It's totally waste of time. Because you're not gaining anything. Wala kang natututunan sa tao na yun, kundi puro, katarantaduhan, maling gawain. That is not good. You are not using your time very well. You would rather spend time with people that make sense, talk sense, di ba? Kesa doon sa mga baliwala lang, basura lang ang pinagsasasabi. That is not what God wants us to do. Okay? Now, itong first card mo dito, very interesting kasi Seven of Swords, there's something na being kept secret, hidden. Parang tipong meron kang kinukubli o tinatago o ayaw mong sabihin yung katotohanan. Naglilihim, patago, no? Patago na may ginagawa at sa likod mo. This is not good kasi this is not an energy na hindi dapat talaga binibigyan ng pansin kasi masama ito eh. This is not a good energy to begin with. Are you feeling something fishy going on? Yung matipong ganon? Kasi bakit nag-umpisa tayo dyan? And with the Ten of Swords, ayaw mo na eh. This is an ending. Ayaw mo na ng ganung usapan, no? Maybe because it's something to do nga with jealousy. Maybe. Pag sobrang seloso naman ng person mo, talagang, ayoko na. Ayoko na talaga. Kasi, ang hirap naman kaya nun. Yung kahit na anong bagay, pinagseselosan. Kahit lang katuturan, o sabihin natin na, di ba, wala namang concrete evidence to begin with kung bakit siya nagsiselos. It's just really all insecurities na nakikita ko dito. Kung bakit niya ginagawa yon. Kung siya pa, meron pa siyang nililihim, meron pa siyang tinatago, siya pa yung gano'n na nagsiselos. Kaya, with the Eight of Wands, kailangan mag-usap. You need to talk. You need to discuss things. Bakit ganon? Kasi, pakiramdam mo, hindi pinapansin yung mga sinasabi mo o yung what you've been, kung nakapag-usap man kayo, this is what I'm saying. Ito, kasi, this is about discussion, conversation, back and forth conversation. Kung nakapag-usap man kayo, o nasabi mo na sa kanya lahat ito, hindi pa rin niya pinapansin, hindi niya binigyan ng halaga. Totally inignore niya yung mga napag-usapan nyo. So, in other words, hindi niya binigyan ng importance yung conversation na to o yung feelings na mga sinabi mo sa kanya. Lalo na kung ang topic is all about jealousy. Okay? That is why the Hierophant, no, I think nagkaroon ng effect on ito'y naging epekto ng pakiramdam mo hindi ka pinapansin o hindi ka binigyan ng importansya. Kasi may ending no? There was an ending. Parang you had enough. Tama na. Ayoko na ng ganitong pangloloko, panglilinlang, pagsisinungaling, pagtatago, magkakaroon ng sobrang jealousy. This is also, in a way, parang dahil nga sobra kang selos. May ginagong, meron tong bisyo na hindi mabuti. Alam mo yun? You had enough. Tama na. Sakit-sakit na. Sobra na. Hindi ko na matake. Tignan natin. Bakit andito yung Seven of Swords? Bakit andito yung Seven of Swords? Wow. We have the Tower. The Eight of Cups. and the Two of Swords. Ayan, anong nangyari? Dahil kasi mga ginagawa mong hindi pagsasabi ng tama, dumating yung Tower. This is a Tower moment. Okay? Tower moment is something na hindi mo ina-expect na mangyayari sa inyo. Biglaan na lang, masyasyak ka na lang, magugulat ka na lang. Biglang, wow, ano nangyari? Bakit nagkaganon? Ano nangyari? Ayan, somebody walk away. May umalis. Merong na fed up na. Nagsabi niya, oh, ayoko na, surrender na ako, tama na to. Let me go. And with the Two of Swords, parang nakikita mo, ayoko na. Kinross niya na yung kanyang yung kanyang puso, yung tipong kanyang pag-iisip at puso. Ayoko na ng communication, ayoko na meron pa tayong pag-usapan. No, sa ngayon, I cannot make any logical solution or decision about our relationship. So just let me go. Let me go. Alis ako. Hindi mo ina-expect na gano'n ang mangyayari o aalis yung person mo. Now, with the Ten of Swords, bakit nandito yung Ten of Swords? We have the Five of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, and the Empress. Now, di ba? Sobra na eh. Sobra na yung naramdaman mo. Kaya anong nangyari? One of you have that feeling of regret with the Five of Cups. And yung feeling na hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko ngayon because itutuloy ko ba to? O iiwan ko na? Kasi, alam mo yon, ang hirap balansehin ang buhay. Things is so difficult to balance if two things are different, no? Magkaiba. Pag makikita mo sa picture, this one is an apple and this one is an orange. They're two different fruits. Pareho silang prutas, pero magkaiba silang prutas. So how can you balance two things if they're not of the same size and weight? Diba? So, hirap na eh. Yeah, may regrets. Mahirap balansehin ang buhay. And, ano nangyari? Because of that, love and the relationship in itself, the abundance part is affected with the Empress, no? Nawala yung parang sabihin natin na yung magandang magiging outcome sana ng relationship na to kung nagkasundo kayo. Pero parang give up nyo tong possibility of love and abundance, no? Eight of Wands. Bakit andito yung Eight of Wands? Bakit andito yung Eight of Wands? We have the Ten of Cups, the Moon, and the Page of Swords. Now, yung pag-uusap nyo, you wanted sana, no, na matouch yung about happiness. You know, total happiness. Yung pag-uusapan nyo eh. But this is getting to be something na, ano na eh, kung gabat nakatago, hidden from you. Hindi mo na makita yung happiness na to sa'yo, sa relationship nyo. Parang itinago, kinubli, hindi mo na makita, madilim, hindi kasi totaling ganun kaliwanag, may konting dilim pa rin. So there are things that is unknown if you would be truly happy with this person. Kaya yung Page of Swords, no? Though you're telling your person, alam mo, ito yun eh. This is what's happening. Ito yung nakikita ko nangyayari. And yet, parang, para sa'yo, parang, you know, you're not really seeing it the way others or your person is seeing it. Kung ba parang, sa kanya, iba yung perspective niya. Sa'yo, lalong iba. Which is nakikita nga niya na hindi tayo pareho kasi ang purpose natin ba tayo nag-uusap is to make sure na maging masaya pa rin tayo sa relationship. But things are not clear, no? With the moon. Pinapakita dito yung energy na, naku, malabo. Malabo na to. Parang ganun The 5 of Pentacles. Bakit siya nandito yung 5 of Pentacles? We have the 4 of Wands, the Knight of Swords, and the 4 of Pentacles. In spite ng pag-uusap, ini-ignore ka pa rin, hindi ka pa rin binigyan ng importansya, walang effort, in other words. And what happened? Yung plano to be together sa future, gusto mo na sanang matupad yon, but things are being held now. Ngayon parang, teka muna, hindi ito yung tao na gusto kong makasama pang habang buhay. No. Kasi this is all about talking future. Talking about having that marriage proposal. The very start of making that future together. You want it to happen as soon as possible. Pero, sa ngayon, things are being held back. Teka muna. Dahil nga dito, with the 5 of Pentacles. Kasi parang hindi ka pinansin. Hindi ka binigyan ng importance. You were being ignored. Para bang dumaan ka lang ganun. Naging hangin ka. Invisible. The Hierophant. Bakit siya andito? We have the 9 of Wands, the Chariot, and the Queen of Wands. Yung Hierophant is about the relationship in itself. It is talking about marriage. Something that is institutionalized. Kung ba parang a tradition. Ano ba yung mga tradition natin? Diba? We nagpo-propose, and then magpapakasal. No, that's the tradition. Ano nangyari? Dahil dito, sa nangyayari ngayon, you put your guard up. Sabi mo, teka muna, ayoko nang may basta-basta papasok sa akin buhay. Now you're being very wise which road to choose. With the Chariot, you're moving forward. You're moving forward, but you are thinking of which way to go. Because para sa'yo, what you should be doing is something that you should love doing. Or somebody that is also as passionate as you are. Or as creative as you are. In other words, pareho kayo dapat. Hindi yung tao na ito, sobrang selos, tapos ikaw hindi ka naman ganun. Mahirap yon. So, you really need somebody na talagang you're both on the same page. Okay, Aqua? I think you will be okay with, maybe you'll be dealing with a fire sign. Okay? Now, I was gonna ask, ano yung magiging future nitong relationship? It says here the 2 of Swords, which is, you're still trying to make that decision. Ano na bang papatunguhan nitong relasyon na to? Kasi parang sa ngayon, di ba, you cannot make up your mind. Hindi po makayang, ito yun Just let me show you. 2 of Swords, 2 of Swords. Pareho kayong, pareho na hindi ka maka-make up your mind. Hindi pa alam. It's a maybe. Maybe yes, maybe no, na itutuloy ko. Or maybe yes, na itutuloy ko, maybe no, hindi ko tutuloy. So you're still trying to make that decision. Actually, yung decision na yan is really up to you, Aqua. Kasi nga, ikaw yan eh. You'll be the one choosing kung saan ka mas okay. Kung saan mo mas gusto, no? Susundin mo kasi kung ano yung kung saan ka passionate about. That is the answer. Whatever that is, you know exactly what it is. Now, ano yung gustong sabihin ng person ni Ako sa kanya? I know I was a distraction from your pain. I will wait for a sign from you. And I want to feel that way again. Okay, parang sa salita niya dito na ano no, medyo gumigive up ka na sa kanya. Kasi I will wait for a sign from you. Parang tipong humingi ka na ng ano dito eh, ng cool off. I want to feel that way again with you, di ba? Parang gusto ko tayo ulit. But I guess things are not really that positive pagdating do sa person mo kasi yung ginawa nga niya, no? Yung ito, umpisa pa lang eh, meron na siyang ginawang hindi mabuti o may sinabi o may hino-hold back which is painful for you, no? Itong nakita natin, di ba? Itong 10 of Swords. Okay, so ano pa? Ano pa yung message mo for Aqua? We have full moon in Sagittarius. See the bigger picture. Okay? New moon in Capricorn. Step up and lead. And full moon in Leo. Go wild. Ito yun eh. Go wild. Sundin mo talaga, Aqua, what you're passionate about. If you don't see this person to be part of that passion, that's your answer. Okay? But if you see na you can tolerate this, yung pagiging jealous niya, then it's your decision. Okay? So, kung kanino mang Aqua itong nakuha nating energy ngayon, maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sana po nakatulong ito sa inyo ng malaki. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.